We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day. Ngài He Joseph Ling.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Alright, the hot topic of this month, we have to talk about this. It's the 2006 FIFA World Cup happening in Germany, and this is what everyone is talking about. I don't care if you love soccer or they call it football, of course, or not. People are in this game these days.
加油！
你喜欢那 K 笑啊嘞？你喜欢什么？鬼上身了！
那个踢落去，加油！
Oh, I gotta tell you, Alice got so excited of me talking about soccer here. She started cheering, I think, but it looked like she was gonna punch me in the face and start killing me.
踢进去，加油！
Oh, is that what it means? Oh, 踢落去。
踢落去，
加油！
OK， 才有像在看那种足球赛嘛。
Oh, that's a cheering thing. 就是踢下去那样子，是不是 ？OK, kick the ball, go, 啊嘞，那样子，是不是？Okay, so let's talk about these terms because everybody's going to be, probably watching a game or two throughout the month. Let's start with 世界杯足球赛好了。世界杯
足球賽
Okay, 世界杯 that's the World Cup. 足球賽 that's the soccer game. So 足球 is soccer, basically, right? Okay. This year it's happening in Germany. 今年呢是在德国。德國油炸貴油貴蛙貴菜頭貴加德貴什麼東西？
德國是德國。
對不起，我的肚子餓了。Okay, that's Germany. It sounded like some food item again. All right, and大家都是为了要变成是冠军队嘛，好，所以这个世界冠军怎么说？
世界冠軍。
这个世界听起来好像什么 gay， 你知道吗？我又想到鸡了 ，chicken gay 啊。世界冠軍 ，OK， 不是 chicken champion 哦，it's world champion， OK， 世界冠軍 ，that's the world champion. And finally, let's review those cheering terms again. 踢落去，踢下去，是不是？踢落去 ，kick the ball, kick it in the goal. 加油 That's go. Okay, so now you know how to cheer in Hakka when you watch any game, actually. So that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張偉了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.